So you've been doing rent to rent for a while, but you're still not really getting it. In this video, I'm gonna break down why your strategy isn't working. I'm Simon and I'm best known for my rent to rent journey. I've done over 50 deals and I've worked with so many others to do the same. And on this video, I'm gonna share with you why your rent to rent strategy might not be working. If you're brand new to the channel and you like content like this, rent to rent, serviced accommodation, BRRRR, HMOs, smash that subscribe button right now and comment below with any questions you've got. I check every single day. So I see a lot of people just getting rent to rent wrong, and it's usually for a handful of reasons. So let's get into them. Number one is a lack of focus, a lack of purpose. In other words, you kind of know what you're doing, you kind of know which area you're after, you kind of know what kind of property, but you're not being focused in your endeavors. And it's crazy. If you just say, do you know what, I'm gonna go for 4-bed plus properties in this area and just focus, it's crazy how much momentum you can build rather than just trying and testing and changing the area and changing the strategy all the time, because you never get a chance to pick up momentum. And what happens is you're always half in, doubting yourself, questioning yourself. So you never actually pick up the momentum that you need to get that first or next deal. Because I know some people that got a lucky first deal or second deal and nothing for months. So this could apply to you as well. Number two is just a lack of consistency. Like, Rome wasn't built in a day. So you've got to consistently be working at this. You can't keep stopping and starting and expect to get results. So what I really highly recommend, and what I noticed in my business, was that I just did a little bit every day. And after a while, a little bit a day compounds to a lot, a big amount of action, and therefore a lot of potential for deals. Number three is just a lack of patience. You want it all right now, no patience. It's not working. The agents won't talk to me. This landlord won't talk to me. And you're just not giving it the time. It took me like 10 weeks to get my first deal. And then after my first deal, I think it took me another 10 weeks to get my second deal. And then I started hitting the momentum and getting a lot of consistent deals really quickly. So don't rush, just trust the process and be consistent, and it will come, or at least that's what I and many others are finding. If you just keep knocking on the door, eventually something has got to give. And the key thing is you only need one deal to get going, and maybe that's £700 a month, and it will make a big difference to your life. £700 that you didn't have, cash flow, semi-passive, and then ready to build on that. Top tip. One of the most frequent mistakes I see newbies making is just talking too much, okay? You're just trying to sell too hard, talk too much, doing all the work, when if you just sit back, relax, and ask more questions, you'll take the pressure off yourself, okay? So you need to ask the agents, you need to ask the landlords questions and find out where their core needs lie, and then all you've got to do is fulfill them. So try your best not to over talk and overshare and oversell, and just listen. Number four, education. A lack of education. So you just don't know what you're doing, you're winging it, you're trying a bit of this, a bit of that, but you're working hard, but maybe you're not working smart. So I really recommend getting educated or working with somebody that's able to guide you through this stuff, because you can save so much time. Me personally, in my business, I would rather pay somebody to just show me exactly how it's done, or I'd rather pay somebody to do something for me rather than me trying to figure this out and reinvent the wheel. So you just want to surround yourself with people that are doing it or that have done it and leverage off their experience. And last but not least, contrary to belief, rent to rent is a low money down. It's not no money, but money will be one of the key catalysts to you getting going and scaling, because it's going to give you the confidence to press go, and it's also going to allow you to do more deals. So if you feel like, you're not doing the first four, but actually it's the money holding you back, then what I would recommend is do two things. The first thing is focus on the value, focus on getting the deals, okay? Because whenever you've got a deal, there'll always be money. If I said to you, look, let's just do a little exercise here. If I say to you, you're going to get that deal and it's going to make you £50,000 over the next 5 years, 110%, 110%. Would you find a way to make the 5K to do the deal? Right. So therefore, focus on getting the right deals and the money will always come. But if you focus on the money and the fact that you can't afford it and all the reasons why it won't happen, you're probably just going to talk yourself out of it. So why isn't your rent to rent strategy working? Well, look, let me tell you this much. It does work. You see me doing it and so many others. So it's got to be something that you're doing. Sounds harsh, but get rid of the excuses, get educated, be patient, be consistent, get momentum, okay? Get some money behind you, and I promise you, you will get going. Subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and any questions you've got, drop them in the comments, and I'll get straight back to you. I'll see you in the next one.